In this video I will show you a cool feature of the interface of this Victron SmartShunt, the top trends with these charts, but in general you can see this setup. A terrific information is coming. Subscribe. We will test the new battery, new Optima, brand new, the old one battery, and we will test them with the standards C5, C20, what these numbers means, how to test with the standard. With the rig, self-made, I made this rig myself. I will also cover this in one of the episodes. We will test this old battery and see that it doesn't have 75 amperes anymore. How we test it with the standard, some numbers are already here. Then we will discharge this totally till 0 and we'll see if this will cope to charge it, what will be sounds, clicks, noisy. We will discuss a little bit electronic load, but every time when we test these things we use SmartShunt and analyze the charts that are here in the trends tab, and that's why this video is about this. Let's start from the interesting stuff and the main purpose of this shunt to control state of charge. So I selected state of charge here and the voltage on another side, and you can see blue a state of charge. And when we start discharging, because ADC there in the shunt analyze the battery every second, maybe more than every second, but it's draw here every second, we can see the history of state of the charge against voltage, and that is the information we will use a lot in the following episode to analyze things. You can also select here current, which is also interesting, and you can see here it was 6 and 5, 6 and 6 amperes all the time, because we supported this with the constant load that is there, electronic load. But the current is the most interesting part in the charging process. I will get back to this soon. So we can select also consumed amperes hours, but then I don't like it here, and I think it's a kind of bug or something. It provides a scale here instead of the chart. I don't know what is happening here. Power, well, I don't think it's also interesting. Yeah, let's then take a look at the current and the voltage, and that is another cool feature to analyze the charging process, and we can see all charging stages here, like bulk charging with 7 amperes constant current, and increasing the voltage till the set value 14.2, and then absorption stage with the current going down and the voltage increasing, and then the float 0.2 amperes. It's currently in the float stage, and then there will be a storage mode, also interesting, but I didn't found it here, but it is coming, it is recorded in the following episodes. Subscribe to see it. So we can also select the temperature, but not here. I have it on another shunt. Basically that's all what I wanted to show you. So how cool you can analyze, you can even test the charges with this shunt, because you can see all the process, how cool you can analyze things when you have this SmartShunt integrated in your system. So guys, let me know what you want to know in the comments, because I'm still recording material. Otherwise, subscribe to see the following episodes and remember to like it. Thanks, bye.